Hello everybody, in today's video, I'll be showing you the YouTube Video Builder. In this free-to-use tool, you can select the templates that you want to use from the options available. You'll be brought to a new page where you can start customizing the look of your video. Here, you can select brand colors or any other preferred colors that you want to feature in your video. And then you can also select an image that you want to use as your logo. For this particular layout, only 2 images are required. They also tell you the recommended dimensions and style that these images you upload should portray. Next, you can add the text that you want the video to have. Because the layout I chose is for a short 6 seconds video to introduce a brand, I can only enter 2 lines of text. The number of text areas should vary according to your templates that you choose. Next, you can choose a font. Depending on the fonts you have installed, you probably have a wider selection than I do. And then there's music. The tool also specifies the kind of mood each music portrays. You can press create and that's it. Wait for your video. As you can see, a linked YouTube channel is required for you to save and publish your video ads. And there you have it. Thank you for watching our video.